Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is part 5 of my makeup series. If y'all ain't seen all 5 parts, y'all tripping. Go back after this video and watch it. Not right now though, after, okay? In this video, we're gonna get into these eyes, baby. Not these, but those feline eyes that you saw on the thumbnail. And we're gonna show y'all, I'm gonna show y'all, who is we? I ain't got no second personality. Maybe I do? No, I'm just kidding. I am going to show you how I created that eye look. And let me tell you something, it's easier than you think. So do not discourage yourselves before you even get started, and let's get into the tutorial. Once I did set my eyes, then you saw me go in with my Inglot. Baby, let me show y'all this Inglot. Now I ordered this from Amazon, okay? I've been using this. I don't know if y'all can really tell how much I've been using this. A little bit goes a long way. I dipped that brush in there once, maybe twice, but I caught like most of my eye. And that's why I haven't run out yet. Just glides on. I would tell you to try it. If you have not ever tried Inglot products, this eyeliner in particular, try it. I don't think you'll regret it. I was running away from eyeliner like this because I just felt like I did not have a nimble hand to put it on with. And with this eye look, this one is a little bit special because I wanted it to be super dark. So you saw me do a couple of different things. So let me explain. Once I put the Inglot gel liner on it, now the gel liner, if you touch it, sometimes it gives you a transfer, sometimes it don't. When I say that it doesn't, it'll make a liar out of me. What I did was use my favorite black, which is from the Candy Lady Cosmetics right here. If you have not picked this up yet, you're crazy, because I use this in every video dang near, or for every look. As you can see, my 2 favorite colors, they're gone. I've hit pan. I love the black in this. I use it on every wing eyeliner look that I use because the pigment of that black is so beautiful. It's black. That's what it's definitely black. What I did was I just used my little makeup brush and I just pushed it on, okay? Don't drag it. Don't drag it across your eye. Just push it into your eye, because you don't want to move the Inglot, because what you'll start to do is blend it out. And you don't want to blend it out because you want a sharp line. So you want to make sure you're just pushing it in, okay? If you're going for this look. Now, if you're going for a more blended, smoked out look, then go ahead and use Candy Lady Cosmetics, baby, because it's the best. And you go ahead and blend it out. To keep the line sharp, you did see me go in with my NYX, the right one, not the wrong one, my NYX eyeliner pencil. The only thing that I would have changed with this is there is an NYX matte liner pencil, and that is the one that I would have used, because with this look I do not prefer, and it's a preference, I do not prefer the look of this pencil. This one gives more of a shine to it. I didn't want the gloss, I didn't want the shine, I wanted more of a matte because it's more sultry, it's more sexy, it's more date night. So as you're looking at me over a candle and, you know, some prawns with some salmon and a glass of wine, honey, I need it to be sultry, and I need it to be, you know, not shine. I don't need my eye to be looking at you going bling bling. No, that's the only difference that I would have said with that product. But the product itself is definitely good. If you want to do a wing liner with it, awesome, as you can see. And then you can go ahead and do the feline in the inside and get that look going, baby. Get it poppin'. Y'all know I can't sing, but I'm always trying. Child, y'all know your girl. She always trying to sing a tune. Shut up, Leandra. You are not in the shower. They can hear you. Welcome back to Earth, Leandra. Get here. Anywho, all right, y'all. So as y'all can see, what I'm doing now is I am placing the gel eyeliner under the top portion of my lid. Now, the reason I say it like that is because typically I'm placing it at the bottom portion, which we'll get to, but right now we're going to talk about this top portion and the reasons why I'm doing this. I feel like it creates a more intensified look because it darkens up my eyes. And I want my eyes dark. I want you to see into my soul. No. And then not only that, it also makes my mascara pop, because if my eyes are already dark and I'm putting on black mascara, you can't see anything behind that. At least I think so. Right? Right? I mean, yeah. And then of course it's more dramatic. It just gives a more dramatic look. And if we're doing an eye look that does not have any type of eyeshadow, I want it to be dramatic. If I'm gonna be dramatic, let's just be dramatic, right? So but with that being said, so this what do I say in my video? So yeah, those are my reasons. I mean, that's it. Now, girl, what did you say? I don't know. It's time for me to get real serious with y'all about this because I want to make sure y'all understand. Okay, get real close. Come in. Hear me. Can y'all hear me? Okay, wait. Make sure you laugh. Laugh more in your life because you're gonna need it. So as you see me working on my lower lash line, I take my Inglot gel liner and I line my eyes how I normally do. The difference with this, with creating us a feline eye, is we're gonna go in the inner corner and I'm gonna create what I call an inner wing. And when we create this inner wing, you'll see I tried to create it first with my gel liner, but that didn't quite work out for me. So I'm gonna suggest that you not do this because I've already made that mistake for the both of us. What I want you to do is do what we both know to be correct in the first place, because I knew better, is to take your eyeliner pen from NYX, okay, your liquid eyeliner, and I want you to create that wing liner, because the wing liners are drawn best with what? Liquid liner. And I explained that in my eyeliner video. So we know better already, okay? So make sure you do that with your liquid eyeliner, create that wing on the inside, but make sure you do it in small strokes, because if you do it in very large strokes, or if you do it with too much of the wing liner, then you're gonna get like this wet look, and then it's gonna start looking very muddled, and it won't come out in a perfect V, and then it'll look like it's just running. And then you won't have the perfect feline eye. You're gonna have a sad feline eye. It won't be cute. It just won't be cute, okay? Once you create that portion of it, which is the most important portion of it to me, then if you're used to doing your waterline, you just do your waterline. That is it. That is the eye look. Any questions? All right, now baby, I know y'all don't normally see me pull out this eyelash curler, honey, but I do own one, okay? I do own one, I promise. You see her. And what we're gonna do is we are going to curl our eyelashes. Reason I did not choose to curl my eyelashes before I did my eyeliner is because I didn't want my lashes in the way. Some people may not have longer eyelashes and they can curl them before, and then they will not get in the way of them applying, you know, their liquid eyeliner and all that great stuff. And that's great for you if that's your situation. But my situation is this eye right here tends to want to steal the show when I curl it, and it just does the whole most, and I don't have time to play with her today. No. Or that day. No. So we did not curl them first. We went ahead and we just dialed that back and waited to the end so that she can have her own spotlight, as you can see. Okay? All right. So that goes back to our initial process, which is to curl our lashes, prime our lashes, and then we are going to put on mascara. And after Leandra explains, I'll come back and talk to you about some mascaras. All right. I use my eyelash curler for like the first time in ages. Because I didn't want to do lashes, and I don't think I need lashes. Like, I'm looking at myself over here, like, I don't think I even need lashes with this. What do you guys think? Let me know. I don't have on any lashes. I think it's perfectly fine without lashes. Would you have added lashes? Let me know. Anywho, I used my eyelash curler, as you saw, curled my lashes, my top lashes, and then I went in with my Maybelline Sky High by Sensational. Now, if you're on TikTok, then you know that the Sky High mascara totally went viral. So when I saw the Sky High tinted primer, I was like, oh, let me try it and see. Now, I did try the Sky High mascara. It didn't impress me. So I did give it back to the streets because it just wasn't for me. Everything is not for everybody. Everybody don't want salt on their food, and that's okay. But this did me some good. I will say it did me some good. I thought it was gonna be like white. I don't know if you guys have ever seen my videos where I use the Christian Dior primer before, and that one was white, so I could see where the primer went. But I could see. I could see it. That's the only difference, that I would choose one that was white so that I could actually see where the primer was going on. But what do you guys think? Do you like the way that it looked? I mean, you like the way that it came out? I think it did its job. Let me just say that. Then I went in with this Hourglass. This is called, now this was my first, I pulled this out the other day because I just wanted to try it before I got a chance to talk to you guys about it. But this is Hourglass Unlock Instant Extension Mascara. The wand on this is, let me show you because I know I didn't show you before. This is the wand. Come on. This is the wand on it. It is so, like, it's thinner than what I thought it would be. I hope that's coming up. Yeah, but if you know me, y'all know I'm a big connoisseur girl. I'm used to using that. However, and this is quite heavy. Love the packaging. Like, it's gold. It's so pretty. And it has some weight to it. The product itself, it glid on my eyes. Glid on my eyes. Yeah. When I say came out and did what it was supposed to do, I actually saw it and I actually like it. I don't have a problem with it. I would use it. I'm going to use it. I'm going to keep it because y'all know I'm a connoisseur of bringing stuff back. Would I say run to the store and go buy it? If you have a mascara, keep it, use it. The combination here would be to curl, prime, and put on a mascara. That's ultimately what I would say to do. Okay, so now y'all got the concoction, right? It is curl your lashes, prime your lashes, and then put on your mascara. Do it in that order, okay? But in this video, I'm just gonna go in real time showing you how I'm putting on my mascaras. But while that is rolling, I do want to share some details about another video that I did do over 5 different mascaras. 4 of them were drugstore mascaras. One of them was the Big Connoisseur from Lancome. It is my favorite mascara so far. But if anybody has any other recommendations, I am looking to switch it up just a little bit and see if anything could compare. So you guys let me know. In that video, I do go over all those mascaras over a course of a week, letting you know my opinions, how I feel, how they wear. So it's not just a one and done type of situation. It is a full-on trial and full day's wear of those mascaras to give you my honest opinion of how they work. So if you're in need of a mascara and you don't know what to get, check that video out. Let me know your opinions. And if you have made it this far in all 5 parts of this series, congratulations for 1. Thank you for number 2. And I can't wait to see you in the very next video, which is going to be a full-on drugstore makeup tutorial. I don't know. I can tell y'all already. Y'all might be excited about this one. But anywho, I digress. Back to the video. It just make sure that when you're putting on your mascara, you get every little hair. Because with this look, if there's one word that you heard me say consistently, it has been intense. Because I want to make sure that this Feline-Eye is that. It is intense. It catches your eye. So when you look at me, baby, you look at me. Don't blink at me. You look at me. I get your attention, okay? And that's what we want. We're gonna grab the attention, okay? So, again, if you have any questions, just drop them below. And then we're gonna get back to the video.
You can look me in my eyes and see I'm on demon time. She want me to pull, but I say I ain't got the time. Cause time mean money and money rule the world.
At the star of the show that I just keep staring at over here in my camera lens is none other than Candy Ladies Cosmetics Indulge Baby. It's matte. First I want to just show you, okay? So I don't have to worry about it on my teeth. It stays on my lips, okay? Not an uncomfortable matte to where you feel like your lips are just super dried out and you're just like, oh my God, somebody give me some lip gloss to put on top of my lips. Oh my God. No, that just ain't it, honey. That ain't it. So make sure y'all run on over, not walk, run to Candy Lady Cosmetics and grab both of those products and Baked Bean, because I want that one too. If you are a person that just really doesn't like too much makeup on your face, then you can run on over here and check out this video where I showed you how to apply your makeup without using any concealer or bronzer, okay? We got something for everybody over here, sugar. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Hey y'all, this is Lee after the full-on video of this series of 5, and I'm just talking to you guys right now because I have had a very long day and I still wanted to come home and make sure that I made this video happen for you guys. I have been up since 4 a.m. this morning and it is currently 8:52 p.m. and I am still passionate about making sure that my content goes out in a reasonable amount of time. So I just want you to know that behind the scenes, there's a lot that goes on, but I still love what I do, okay? And I hope to see you guys in the next tutorial, which is going to be over some drugstore makeup, like I said already, but I like to repeat myself. And it also, I'm going to do a video for colored eye contact lenses that I have been trying out. So I know I did a poll and most of you, look at here, said you don't wear colored contact lenses, but that's okay. We're still going to show you what they look like anyway. Even though you don't wear them, you can watch me wear them. All right, y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.